Hello guys, welcome to YT Filmmaking, and today in this video I am going to share with you how to shoot cinematic footages with your smartphone. Many a time it happens that we don't have the DSLRs or the mirrorless cameras with us. So in that case, our smartphones comes handy shooting the cinematic footages. So in my case, I have an iPhone. This is iPhone XR. So we all know that iPhone XR that Apple iPhones has a decent camera quality which can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second. The most important thing that you need while shooting a stable footage is a steady movement, and you have to stabilize your arms very well. You have to practice for that so that you can shoot cinematic slow motions and cinematic footages with your normal smartphones without any professional stabilizer or any gimbal. So for that thing you're going to need a stable stand, and you can take any stand, like you can say of GorillaPod. You can take a GorillaPod and just use it as a stabilizer to move it in front and back. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from YT Filmmaking. So let's jump into the live view and watch how I am shooting the videos with this thing. Most of the phones supports 4K feature. If you want to get the features about the camera, you have to go to settings, then you have to go to your camera option, and then you can see record video. There you can get 720 HD at 30 frames per second, 1080 HD at 30 frames, 4K at 24. And then you have 4K 60 frames per second, that's the slow motion. To shoot the stable footage, you're going to need a GorillaPod. Fix the GorillaPod with the cell phone or the smartphone with which you are going to shoot the video. Now look carefully how I do the movements of my hands while shooting the video.
Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to.
The main thing you have to make sure is do not shake your camera and keep your camera as much stable as you can.
Your relationships are never meant to last.
Make sure that your two arms are attached to your body. You can see I have strongly attached my two arms with my body. And to avoid the shake, I am sticking my arms to the body.
Your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Moving on.
Now let's have a look at the footage that I have edited and shot. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from YT Filmmaking. Bye.